What's up, everybody?
Throw a video, man.
Oh, I am.
You're good like that. Yeah. Yo, yo, yo. We in it. We in it. You get a nice fucking tan.
Allowed to
That's
have
why I wore
alcohol
the
because we are
shirt.
21 and
Is
over.
this heat related?
If I would have brought a blanket,
Okay.
I would have laid on the ground.
Thank you.
Blanket.
That's all I gotta say. It was a disclaimer.
You
You
get
get it?
What
Did you hear what I said?
about food
I
for
said it
a
was a
bunch of people, and
disclaimer.
There's only 4 of us.
Whatever you call it. Is that what
Yeah,
it's called?
she's not coming. She's not answering.
Y'all can hear me. I said, isn't that what it's called?
Who's supposed to come, Mary?
Sarah.
Case or Egbert?
Egbert.
Case will come on. Here's wearing a mask running around like.
No, she's been going out now.
Oh, she's finally done.
Yeah. She wants to go to with Anna to the bar, but she doesn't want to go with Hannah. She doesn't
Well,
like
Hannah's always around, so how is she gonna do that?
Yeah, that's why she doesn't hang out with Anna. She doesn't like Hannah.
Why?
Hannah slept with Jesse
Oh, God.
when they were together.
Yeah,
She found out.
it's a whole thing.
What?
They're not friends anymore.
Again?
That's why she was when we were at Shirley's. Remember Hannah was freaking out running around trying to chase Sarah and stuff. Like he's like a psycho being mad that she was there. That's why. She slept with us.
Fucking little poor bastard.
Yes, that's why Sarah's not with him.
It's just like his fucking
He's
father.
stupid. He lost a good girl.
He's just like his father. All right, we're all done now, right? I'm just
What?
joking.
What? Enjoy
I
it.
had to say that. I had to say
I want to stay here
that.
till the evening.
Mm-hmm.
We're here for a while. Stop whining. I'm just fucking.
When
I
do
wanna
we
be
ever
out
see
there on
water
that
that's
boat.
clear?
That's where I want to be. Eric's got a boat, and he's got the sports boat.
Better go swimming.
He can't get on, but I've been talking to him.
You guys are gonna
Trying
come
to get him
with.
to have enough people. So
Not literally, but.
we can get
You
on
run
the
a
boat.
boat for $10.
I don't want to run it. You might. Yeah,
It's a Batum boat.
but nobody can drive it.
Let's get on one of them.
It's an automatic.
See if
I
we all
don't want a
die.
little cheap ass boat.
It's a Batum boat, like that one.
A pontoon boat. See if we all die.
Tara rented that one time. The big boat, flat boat.
I ate grapes.
Eat them already. I bought them for us because Mom's got cherries. You want cherries instead? Go get the cherries. You want a sandwich? I'll make you a sandwich. You want a couple?
Make me a turkey sandwich?
Yeah, when you're ready. You ready? You ready? We don't have plates. So don't get it all over yourself.
I just want a mayonnaise turkey sandwich.
Mayonnaise turkey chicken.
Yeah, chicken on a bun.
Wheat bread?
No, bun.
Okay. What do you want? I'm taking orders here, people.
Okay.
Order me up. What you want?
Same as Mary.
Chicken?
Yep.
1, 2,
One.
1. Some grapes on the side. I can't. You gotta eat out of bag.
Pepperoni.
Yeah, pepperoni. I cut up pepperoni and everything. I use
I
the
got
coop.
cucumbers. We should probably bring the cooler out. So we can cut all that stuff out.
I can cut it up in the thing. I already know what to do. I just didn't bring cutting boards. I have to cut on top of the
Car.
cooler. Cooler.
Oh.
Cooler.
We had cucumbers and dip.
Well, we didn't bring nothing to put it in. We're dumb fucks. We're dumbasses.
Better get back in the water soon.
Hey, let's not bring any plates.
We were doing everything.
I know we were.
It's always forget something.
I know we were, son. I was helping.
I know. I'm saying we were doing everything. Couldn't think of everything.
Can never think of everything.
No.
You're always gonna forget something when you're in a rush. We should have prepared ourselves the day before, but we didn't. We will next time. We will. we'll prepare ourselves because I'll be over there preparing. Because instead of you, me and you will do everything and Jocelyn. And the prince and princess can sit there and wait until it's ready to go, and they say they don't go. When we go for a week, you want to stay home? Stay around home. I don't give a shit. That's what I'm saying. I don't care. Stay your ass home.
People are really prepared. They come with those things.
Because they come all day. The best time is right now. We got here perfect timing, bro.
Yeah.
Where do you buy those things?
I have no
It's at
clue.
Walmart, man.
Probably Walmart.
They're not tent. They're like
That's a tent.
That's not a tent. It's a half tent. It's like a.
Oh, yeah, over at the tent place. Don't try. Oh, my God.
I want to get off this.
No, I
Get
know.
up, reset.
Hmm?
It's like, oh, I have no service. That's why it's not working.
Break some fluids.
What's not working?
Is this
My
your
phone, I'm
towel?
trying to look them up.
Whose towel is this, Mom?
A lot of people here. So pretty. Really is. Just catching that sun. Here. Walking on the trail. What the?
He does want a sandwich with me to the phone.
Yeah. It would be nice to stay a week here. They got cabins and everything that we're about to gonna stay at, and I'll definitely. This one. I'm trying to get a camera. Bang. I almost dropped my phone and I got it. But I don't drop it when I'm in the water. Weird, right? So nice. What do you think? You check. For real though, it's just so beautiful. Can't get rid of it. You gotta record it. The beauty. Nature. Fairhaven's so nice. I haven't been here since I was a kid. Literally. Been years. Ooh, you wanna go walk on that shore thing? Whatever that is, maybe we can walk on it. If we obviously can't walk on it, I don't think I will do it, but look at it. It would be nice to go there. Wet our feet. So they're not sandy. God, I forgot to go in the bathroom and do that. You want to sit? No. That's a spider web. What? Yeah, no thanks. very nice and clean. Very nice. Just clean cut. Well, I think I'll be recording in a little bit. When we get up to somebody else. I encountered this. Weird. Might have been a bathroom. But yeah. It's just weird. Just the views. It's just crazy. You can't get over it, guys. Over there, some water. It's just. I hope you guys like this vlog. Thinking for you. We're just chilling. Thank you. Oh, I just witnessed kids trying to flood the bathroom right here. A bathroom right there. Try to flood it. I'll tell you a story later. This is the end of the day. Yep. Look at me. This ends the day. It's very nice. Hope you guys liked the vlog. Peace out.